Welcome to Junnediya Institute of Information Technology. Diploma in Computer Applications, Business Accounting and Multilingual DTP is the name of your course. You are doing Module 1 IT Tools and Business Systems. Windows XP, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, DOS and Linux are the software you are going to learn. My name is Qayyum sir. Start and then find for the my computer, then click on drive D and press enter. If you press enter, drive D will open. Look for the drive D there, and then now let us create your own personal folder in this drive D. Right click on the blank area, go to new and click on folder. Then type your name. I'm going to type student here, but you are going to type your own name here. So shift yes, that is capital yes, student, and after typing I will press enter to complete the creation of the folder. The folder is created. Now double click it to open. Now this folder is a blank folder. Inside this folder there is no folder, there is no files and no folders because it is just created. I am going to right click once again and then click on new and folder. And now here I will create the folder name called subject and double click it or press enter to open it and see that the subject folder is opened. And now let us create folders here. Right click new folder and then arts, and then once again right click by the side of this one. Don't open it arts, then right click inside this and then science, the name of the folder, second folder. Remember these folders are inside subject folders. Right click new folder. So the steps are the same. Right click new folder and then type the name, and if you make a mistake press backspace. It is social science, the third one. It is given in your assignment number first on page number 31. So the fourth folder which we am creating is Hindi. Then right click once again new folder, and then the last folder is others. After creating these 5 folders inside the subject folder, open arts folder, click and press enter. This folder is open now. Look on the title bar. It is showing in the title bar that this folder arts is opened. Inside this folder there are no folder. Now we are going to create. Right click new folder and then the name social, and then once again right click new folder. The name is the psycho. So these are the 2 folders inside this arts folder. There are 2 subfolders. We call the folders which is within another folder, they are called subfolders. Now next we are going to press the back key so to reach the parent folder. The parent folder of arts folder is subject folder. So now we are opening this science folder. After clicking and pressing enter, we are creating new folder inside the science folder called physics folder, and right click new one more folder inside this science folder. That name is chemistry folder, and the third one is the maths folder. The procedure of the steps are the same. Right click new and folder. So after creating these 3 folders under science folder, we are going to open, click physics, press enter. So physics is opened. Look there. Now right click new folder. The folder which is inside the physics folders are M physics, second one is optics. So these are the two folders created inside the physics folder. Remember, physics folder is inside the subject folder, which is inside your personal folder. Click to this back key, or you can also press the backspace key on the keyboard to reach the parent folder. I am starting notepad to tell you something here. Backspace key will take you one level up. So I am, instead of pressing this back button on the keyboard on the screen, I am pressing the backspace key on the keyboard also. So I have reached subject folder, and now look there, click and enter will open the folder. After clicking the folder and pressing enter, open that folder, and what will happen? Social science, I pressed enter also. Now we are creating folder in the social science, that is civics folder, the first folder which is inside social science. Now right click new folder. The second folder inside this social science is history. Now press if you make any mistake of the spelling during typing, what will you do? Click the same folder and press function 2, not F and 2 differently, separately. It is function 2, F2. It is called F2. Press F2, and then you can also correct your spelling. This can happen to you while typing the name. Delete by pressing backspace and rewrite the correct name and press enter. So this is how you can make the renaming by pressing the F2 key after selecting. Now we have opened civics folder. Inside this civics folder, we are now not going to create the folder. Remember, we are not going to create the folder. We are going to create the text document, which is a file, which is a notepad file by name law, LAW. Another text document we are going to create inside this civics folder, that is old law. Next go click on the back button. We have reached the subject folder, and now social science, history. Inside this history, we are going to create one more file, not folder. Remember, those yellow color were files. Now these are the files. One file we created is Egypt, and then the next is we are going to create, the name is H1. That's it. Next we are going to tell you something from here. Go to chemistry folder. Chemistry folder, remember, it is in science folder. Science folder is in subjects folder. So you need to reach the subjects folder till go on pressing back key. Then when you see that the science folder is there, click and open it. It is a hierarchical organization. This folder structure is a hierarchical organization. Remember, folder is a method of organizing and arranging the files. Now folder is a hierarchical organization, like grandparent, then parent, and then child. When you are creating folder, remember that say for example subject is a grandparent while science is a parent and chemistry is the child. Like that, we are going to now click science folder, open it by pressing enter, and then open the chemistry folder and create one more file, that is a text document file. It is a notepad file. The name is solution. That's it. This